I found over 30 extremely rare tool deals from all over the internet that almost never happen. You'll want to stick with me from start to finish because these are some of the most viral tool deals that I've seen in a long time. Let's go. If you'd like to check out any of these deals that I share today, there'll be a link in the description as well as a pinned comment to help you find them easier. And for my TV viewers, there's a QR code right there that you can scan to go directly to these deals. Now, let's get to work. First out of the gate, one of the most extremely rare deals you're going to find all year long is on a CNC, and this is a Shapeoko 5 Pro CNC. I've had this for several years now. It's an amazing CNC. They rarely ever put these on sale. $200 off any size of the Shapeoko 5 Pro, including the 2x2, 2x4, which I have, and the 4x4. Plus, you can also save up to $150 off the spindles. So if you want to add or upgrade to the 65 or 80 millimeter spindles, you can save a lot of money here. This is very rare and ends Monday on the 1st, so don't delay. Next on the list, I can't believe Lowe's is giving away a free router or a free tool, depending on which one you want. This is the Bosch starter kit for $219. It's a trending deal, but how do you get that free tool? What you want to do is click that choose gifts button, and that impact driver is actually selected now. You're going to want to put that minus button and then scroll down to the bottom, and you can get this Bosch router. It's one of my favorite trim routers, one of the safer trim routers on the market, because if you drop it, it'll stop the motor. I love that feature. And it's an extremely nice router because you can dial in the exact depth you need with that fine tune adjustment. This is one of my favorite fine tune adjustments that you find on any of the trim routers. Plus, it is also variable speed and plenty of power to what you want to do. This is a fantastic deal at only $219 with that free tool. You got to do this if you need a router. Next up, MicroJig is having a sale as well. This is on the MicroJig CNC work holding kit, but don't let CNC actually trick you into thinking you can't use this. You can use this on a variety of projects to help clamp things down flat to the surface, like on my workbench here or on any other MicroJig dovetail system. This is a fantastic deal, saving $32.99 off for a limited time. You can get this down to $119.99. You can also get this MicroJig Zero Plate 360 sled kit plus the extra miter bar for $13.91 off right now, bringing it down to $34.91. This helps you make your own crosscut jigs and all kinds of stuff. I like their Zero Plate miter bar because you can adjust it to fit your miter slot on your table saw, band saw, that sort of thing, so you can make basically any jig for any saw that you may have. Next, one of my favorite track saws on the market is the Makita corded track saw, especially if you've been thinking about getting a track saw and you want a really good one without having to get into another battery platform. This is the way to go at this price, no brainer. 20% off. This is the Makita 6.5-inch saw kit. It comes with the case and the guide rail, so you're ready to go right out of the box, and this is $117.80 off. I can't believe they put it on this low. It was $589 all the way down to $471.20. and the shipping's free. But if you're looking to get into cordless track saws, there's also 3 Makita cordless deals here that you don't want to miss. First up is the Makita 40-volt XGT brushless cordless track saw. This is the kit. It comes with the battery and the charger, plus you get 2 carrying cases, one for the battery and the charger, one for your saw. Fantastic deal, $143.80 off while supplies last or until September 1st. You can save, was $719 all the way down to $572.20. This is absolutely a no-brainer if you've been thinking about this cordless track saw. But if you prefer the 36 volt because you've bought into the 18-volt batteries, or you just want to get into that system, right now you can also save $139.80 off this kit. It was $699 all the way down to $559.20, or if you need the track as well, you can pick that up, also saving $163.80 off this kit, all the way down to $655.19. Really good deals on these Makita track saws. If you've been waiting, today's the day to put your toes in the water. Before we get to the rest of these deals, if you're ever looking for tool deals or you want to find out more deals than I've shown today, go to my website, 731woodworks.com, click on that tool deals button, and that's going to open up the tool deals. And as you see, we post deals here every single day. Plus, you can sign up for the email list right there. Daily free tool deal emails we send out every single morning to give you the best deals possible. Next up, one of Amazon's best-selling Japanese pull saws. This is 43% off. Click the link. Make sure it's that price because sometimes it goes up and down. But right now it's $14.74. You're going to be saving 43% off of this pull saw. This is a very good saw at a very good price. Next up, the Bora lumber organizer. I have 2 of these in the shop, stacked full of lumber. They're absolutely amazing. If you just want to get your lumber up off the floor, they're easy to install. They hold a lot of weight. This was $49 all the way down right now to $31.56. This is a really good way to keep your lumber organized. Festool fans, this never happens. They never go on sale. Right now you can save $53 off the limited edition Festool Rotex sander combo. The only difference is it comes with a limited edition box, which I think is really, really cool. That dark blue color, love that color. $687.94. The regular one with not limited edition is $740. So you're basically getting a cool looking box and saving 53 bucks. What's not to love? Milwaukee fans, there's some really good deals going on right now for you. If you're in the market for this drill and impact set, I have this set. I think it's the best set for around the shop. Plenty of power, small and compact, good battery life. $199 right now, you can save $170. What's really good about this deal is you're getting those 2 extra batteries. So you're literally getting 4 batteries, a charger with the drill and impact, plus that carrying bag if you need that. It's a really solid deal if you're in the market. This one expires on September 1st, as most of these deals do, unless otherwise stated. One of my favorite little small sanders. I love this sander. This thing is a really good deal. $199, you're saving $110 off right now. You're getting those 2 free batteries. So if you already have an M12 charger, you're in business with this sander, this is a really good deal right now for $199. I know this ain't woodworking, but a lot of people mix wood and metal together, and this right here is the best-selling MIG welder on Amazon right now. It's only 99 bucks. It was $149. They got it $50 off right now, so you can save 50 bucks. 99 bucks to get your MIG welder in the shop. Might be worth checking out. This is by far, I think, the best sander under $100. Right now, it's only 69 bucks. It's regular retail, 99 and a cent, I think. Right now, all the way down to $69 for one of the best sanders you could buy, under $100. This thing is variable speed, doesn't get overly hot, doesn't overly vibrate too much. Just a solid sander right here for 69 bucks. Next up, if you're looking for some work clothes deals, right now our friends over at Dungarees has a sale going on. Carhartt boots, and there's a ton to choose from here. Depending on the style you want, you just click that show all right there. You can see over 225 listings of boots. So no matter if you like lace up, pull on, or even shoes, they have those as well. You gotta check this out for 20% off. And they also have their Carhartt pants on sale for 20% off. So depending on what style you like, you can also check all of these out right now. So if you want to save some money on some work clothes, check it out. Next up, this 192-piece DeWALT mechanics tool set's all the way down to $169. I have this set. I bought this set several years ago. It's one of the best investments I've ever made in this shop. I know it's not woodworking, but you're always needing to put tools together or assemble things or work on something around the house. This has almost everything I need as far as sockets and driver bit sets, all kinds of stuff in this, include Allen keys, all the way down to $169. Was $289 bucks, so you're saving 42% off. Milwaukee track saw is also on sale. I know we showed some others. We also have a RIDGID one coming up. This is the Milwaukee M18 track saw. You're going to get $140 off, so you're saving 24% off the track saw with that battery, which is the XC 5.0. Solid deal here if you're looking for the Milwaukee. This is one of the best deals screaming right now. You can get this laser. This is a Bosch 40-foot red self-leveling cross-line laser level. Say that 3 times fast. Save $90 off, plus you're getting a free tripod with this. This deal is actually going to October 29th, but I'm worried that it's going to sell out at this price because you are saving 90 bucks off of this thing. RYOBI fans, you've got some battery deals right now. This Edge battery will change your RYOBI tools, I'm telling you. If you put that battery in there, you're going to get better battery life and better performance out of these RYOBI tools. I've tested this myself and proven it time and again. These are some of the best batteries that RYOBI makes. They are the best batteries that RYOBI makes. Right now you can save $30 off each, so get them down to $99. Or if you want to just get more batteries and you like the high performance ones and those are working pretty good for you, check this out. You can save $139 off this 3-pack, bringing it all the way down to $159 bucks. RIDGID fans, there are some extremely good deals going on right now. You can get this router with those 2 4-amp-hour batteries for only $258. It's going to save you $198 off this combo kit. This is a fantastic router. I've had one in the shop for a long time now. You're gonna love it if you don't have one or if you just need an extra. You could also get the RIDGID track saw. This is on sale for $248 off. You get the track saw, you get the track, plus you get the 2 4-amp-hour batteries and a charger. But this is a really good deal if you're in the market. This is also a really good track saw. I was very impressed with it when I tested it out. It's one of the better ones out there in the cordless line. If you're looking for a track saw, this might be the way to go if you're on the RIDGID platform or you just want to dip your toes into it. Also, if you want a RIDGID belt sander, this is a 3x18 belt sander. You're getting 2 4-amp-hour batteries and that charger. You're going to save $198 off or 45% off, all the way down to $238 right now for this deal. Next up, if you want to add some really good clamps to your shop, these are medium and light duty parallel clamps. I tested these a while back and they're seriously good stuff. You can get these in sets that include multiple clamps and they include clamping blocks. You can also get them with the joint bridge set, which really helps get that flat glue up. These are really nice clamps at a really good price for 15% off all of these kits. This isn't on deal, but it's back in stock. They sold out months ago and finally they're back. This is the G-Sharp Sharp Edge Sharpener, one of the easiest ways you're ever going to find to sharpen a chisel and get accurate results every time. Razor sharp edges. I love this thing. I bought this a while back, did a review on it. It's sold out. It's been sold out for over 4 months. Right now it's back in stock for now. If you want to check this out, there's a link in the description, pinned comment. If you need some drill and driver bits, it's very hard to turn this deal down. This was $50, $49.98, all the way down to $34.98. This is a DeWALT Tough Grip, 110-piece set. Over 1,000 of these were sold last week. This is a very hot deal right now. If you need to add a bunch of bits and drill bits and all that stuff, just grab this. But if you're a Milwaukee fan, I understand you're not going to have that yellow in your drill. Check this out. You can also get the Shockwave Heavy Duty 125-piece set. Was $59.97 all the way down to $44.97. Some hand tool deals here. The Kobalt 297-piece set. I had this set in the shop. Extremely nice. So if you're looking for a Kobalt set with a case, so it does come with that toolbox, this is $50 off for a limited time. Was $149 all the way down to $99. If you're looking for more Home Depot deals, I have this on the website on 731woodworks.com in the tool deals. I have all of the tool deals that I found to be worth looking at Home Depot listed on my website. Just look for that graphic, click on that, you'll see all the deals. Let me know in the comments, even if you have to hit pause before I tell you this, what is the second largest retail holiday for Home Depot? The second largest. First largest would be Black Friday, Christmas time, that area. What's the second largest? Well, it's Halloween. I did not know that, but supposedly the most viral product of this year at Home Depot, out of anything they sell, from what I gather, is this Home Accents Holiday 7-foot skeleton dog to go along with their 12-foot skeleton. So if you decorate for Halloween and you want the dog to go with your skeleton, or you want both, because why not? There it is, the viral products of Home Depot. Oh, and you can get them standing or sitting, depending on which dog you want. If that's your thing, let me know in the comments. It's not mine. If you'd like to check out any of these deals, there's a link in the description and the pinned comment, plus scan that QR code right there to jump to the page with all these deals. And remember to check out 731woodworks.com for the latest tool deals. If you like this video, check out that one right there. Clicking that box gets you the big old virtual fist bump. Seriously, that's a pretty good video. Or at least I think so. Go watch it and let me know.